Recently, ikui kuidribada handakta. Sentence examples. She met him only recently. Mahak handak khakta unakribani. Mahakna. Mahakpu handak khakta unakribani. Ikui kuidribada. Harsyare. He got a nice job recently. Betray. Thazaba manghanba. Yeknabada pitokpa. Chintijanba. Natraga oidabana thazaba manghanba. Tomba betrayed me. I feel betrayed. I'll never betray you. Theme. Hiram. What's the theme of the novel? What's your favorite TV show theme song? Purse. Utseki kaidong fam. Matakta tongba. Potaba. I took a seat and perched on a rock. Birds need to perch on the branches of the trees. Collapse. Kintaba. Pumtu tu taba. Mathau tauba. Punglep lepa. The building collapsed due to the earthquake. The company is about to collapse due to irresponsible leaders. Passion. Akanba pukning ihul pirakpa akanba hakchangi natraga wakhalgi China thengnaba. Khangba. Sex with strong emotion. Nothing great in the world has been accomplished without passion. I have a passion for music. Remarkable. Yangsan nangai oiba. Yangsan bada matik chaba. Irai laina pangdaba. Taunadaba. Ataiga manadaba. Normal oidaba haibtare. You are a truly remarkable man. It was a remarkable achievement for such a young player. Elate or elated. Yamna harauba, pukning wakal sautokpa. She was elated by the news. I was elated at the news of Mirabai's Olympic success. Defunct. Shiraba. Sizin Nadraba. After being hit by a hurricane, the entire neighborhood was defunct. Latin is a defunct language. Defunct office. Debt. Shandol. Tomba is up to his neck in debt. Our debt is more than we can pay. I am free of debt.